Wingstop, key franchise information. Series Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises. Goals, mission, and vision of Wingstop. Wingstop is an American fast casual restaurant chain that specializes in chicken, especially wings, fries, and sauces. The company was founded in 1994 in Garland, Texas by Antonio Swad. It started franchising in 1997. Wingstop makes money by selling food in restaurants, charging franchise fees, collecting royalties from sales, and offering online orders and delivery. The brand's mission is to serve the world flavor, which means offering tasty, fresh, and bold meals. Today, Wingstop has over 2,450 locations around the world and keeps growing, both in the U.S. and internationally. Anecdote: in 2002, Wingstop sold its 1 billionth chicken wing, just 5 years after starting its franchise program. 1. How does a Wingstop franchise work? Learn about the business model. Key information. Franchise model. 98% of Wingstop restaurants are franchises. Each owner runs their own store by following the brand's rules and standards. Fees. The starting fee is $2,000. Every month, franchisees pay 6% of sales as a royalty and 4% for marketing. Support from Wingstop. The company helps with training, marketing, operations, and online ordering systems.
Anecdote: Wingstop asks new franchisees to open at least 3 stores. It's not just a business, it's building a flavor empire.
2. Entry costs for Wingstop. How much does it cost and what earnings can you achieve? Key information. Initial costs. The total investment ranges from $29,800 to $114,000. This includes franchise and development fees, $3,000. Renovation and build-out, $1,000 to $56,500. Equipment and decor, $5,000 to $16,700. Permits, signs, inventory, and opening ads, $25,000 to $6,000. Extra funds for the first 3 months of operations, $25,000 to $4,000. Potential earnings. The average yearly revenue for one store is about $2,000 Top stores make up to $46,000 a year.
Anecdote: Wingstop's best performing store in 2024 made over $46,000. That's twice as much as the average chicken restaurant.
3. Step by step. How to register a Wingstop franchise and how long does it take? Key information. Registration process. Submit an application, pass financial checks, attend interviews, and sign the agreement. Documents. You need a net worth of $12,000 and $6,000 in liquid capital. Time frame. From 6 to 12 months from application to opening day.
Anecdote: Wingstop doesn't allow you to open just 1 store. You must plan for at least 3. That shows the brand is serious about growth.
4. Taxes and fees in Wingstop. What do you need to know before you start? Key information. As percent of yearly gross revenue. Income tax. From 10% to 37%, depending on your business type and income. Property taxes. From 1% to 2%, only for the location you rent or own. State and local taxes. From 2% to 4%, includes sales tax, use tax, and local industry fees, like health permits. Licensing fees, from 1% to 3%, covers business licenses and permits, but does not include training costs. Marketing fees, 4% for national campaigns, plus up to 1% for local advertising.
Anecdote: 67% of Wingstop sales come from online orders. Even taxes are riding the digital wave.
5. Hiring employees in Wingstop. How many do you need and what are the training costs? Key information. Number of employees, from 20 to 35 people per store. Training costs from $300 to $700 per person, depending on their role. Training systems: 19 hours of online learning, over 30 hours in a classroom, and 153 hours of hands-on practice in the restaurant.
Anecdote: Wingstop sends 2 trainers to every new store. It's like having your own launch team.
6. Wingstop. Operational costs. What expenses will you face daily? Key information, monthly. Ingredients and supplies, $18,000 to $4,000. Salaries and benefits, $12,000 to $3,000. Rent and utilities, $6,000 to $18,000. Insurance, $3,000 to $8,000. Repairs and maintenance, $1,000 to $2,500. Licensing and marketing, $2,500 to $6,000. Taxes total, $3,000 to $7,000. Other, like income tax, $5,000 to $1,000.
Anecdote: Wingstop's menu is simple and focused. That helps keep ingredient costs low and makes operations easier.
Loving the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. 7. Training and support. How does Wingstop help its franchisees? Key information: initial training. It lasts 4 weeks and includes 19 hours of online learning, over 30 hours in a classroom in Dallas, and 153 hours of hands-on practice in a Wingstop restaurant. Operational support: Wingstop helps with opening the store, quality checks, managing staff, and customer service. E-learning platform. Franchisees get access to training materials, system updates, and new procedures. Marketing. Wingstop provides national campaigns, local advertising tools, seasonal promotions, and social media support.
Anecdote: Wingstop calls its training center in Dallas the Global Support Center. That's where future owners learn how to serve flavor at the highest level.
8. Franchise inspections in Wingstop. What are the requirements and what to expect? Key information. External inspections, done by local health departments and city officials. They check cleanliness, food safety, and legal rules. Internal inspections, brand audits. They look at customer service, store appearance, menu accuracy, and procedures. Frequency, usually every 3 months, but surprise visits can happen too.
Anecdote: During inspections, Wingstop even checks the taste of sauces. Yes, they test the wings to make sure the flavor is perfect.
9. Profitability of Wingstop. Is it really a profitable business? Key information. Profitability. Average net profit margin is from 12% to 18% per year. ROI. Return on investment is from 8% to 15% per year. Payback time. Most owners get their money back within 5 to 6 years.
Anecdote: Wingstop has one of the highest profit margins in fast food, thanks to its simple menu and strong takeout sales.
Wingstop in the market. How is the brand doing today? Key information. Market position. Over 2,450 stores worldwide with more than 2,150 in the U.S. Growth and expansion. In Q3 2024, same-store sales grew by 20.9%, a record in the industry. And challenges? High labor costs, strong competition, changing ingredient prices. Forecast? Wingstop plans to grow in Europe and Asia, expand virtual kitchens, and boost app orders. Competitors: KFC, Buffalo Wild Wings, Zaxby's. Wingstop wins with bold flavors and strong online presence.
Anecdote: Wingstop was mentioned in rap songs. Rick Ross even called their lemon pepper wings his favorite.
11. Pros and cons of a Wingstop franchise. What you need to know before deciding. Key information. Pros: A. Strong brand and loyal customers. B. High average revenue per store. C. Great position in online orders and delivery. Cons: A. High initial investment. B. Must open at least 3 stores. C. Requires active management, not for passive investors.
Anecdote. In 2024, over 90% of new Wingstop stores were opened by people who already owned one. That says a lot.
12. How to choose a profitable franchise and avoid mistakes. Key information. Market research. Check location, competition, and customer needs. Financial assessment. Review costs, ROI, and payback time. Consultations with experts. Talk to advisors and current franchisees. Support evaluation. See what the brand offers in training and marketing. Franchise agreement analysis. Understand all terms, duties, and rules before signing.
Anecdote. Wingstop's franchise agreement lasts 10 years. It's a long-term partnership, not a one-time deal.
Summary. Who is the Wingstop franchise for, and is it worth investing? Wingstop is a great choice for people with restaurant experience who want to grow a multi-store business. The brand offers strong support, high earnings, and a proven system. If you have the money, want to be hands-on, and care about quality, Wingstop could be the perfect fit. Its simple menu, strong takeout sales, and well-known name help it stand out from the competition. But it's not for everyone. It takes work, time, and commitment. For those ready to build something big, Wingstop gives a real chance to succeed. Anecdote. Wingstop started as a small restaurant in Texas. Now it's a global brand selling over 1 billion wings every year. Bibliography. Franchise Times, Franchise Business Review, Franchise World, Franchising for Dummies. In the next episode of Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises. Ben & Jerry's. Is Ben & Jerry's a good choice for you? With our guide, you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision. Good luck on your franchise adventure. Thank you for watching. If you like the subject matter of this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I wish you a day full of success.